Hello everyone and welcome to Veganize Anything. Today we are making Pad Thai, super popular stir-fried dish coming from the streets of Thailand. Okay, we will start by boiling about 160 grams of flat rice noodles. For the vegan scrambled egg and vegan fish sauce, check out our recipes in the top right corner or in the description below. Now fry some tofu puffs and make a trip to your local Asian store to get some sweet pickled radish. Okay, let's make the Pad Thai sauce first. Add 3 tablespoons vegan fish sauce. Mix 1 teaspoon tamarind paste with 1.5 tablespoons of water. Add half a teaspoon white vinegar, half a tablespoon lime juice, half a teaspoon white pepper, half a teaspoon chili flakes, 50 grams of palm sugar, and mix it all together. Don't worry if the sugar doesn't dissolve, it will later when we cook it. Add 1 tablespoon Sriracha hot sauce and mix again. Set your stove to medium-high and get a wok with a little oil. Stir-fry 4 sliced shallots and 2 cloves of minced garlic until they get lightly brown. Add your vegan beef or chicken and prawns and stir-fry for 3 minutes. Add the sweet pickled radish and stir-fry for 3 more minutes. Now add your prepared, already boiled and drained rice noodles and the Pad Thai sauce. Combine it all well together and stir-fry for about 5 minutes. Now add tofu puffs and the vegan scrambled egg. Stir for just about a minute. Add 20 grams chives, 100 grams of bean sprouts, and stir gently. Add about 35 grams of crushed peanuts, and give it a final stir. Now it's time to try. Adjust the seasoning to your liking, and when you're happy, serve. We hope this vegan version of Pad Thai has made you happy and hungry. Let us know where you're from and what is your favorite brand of vegan beef, chicken and prawns in the comments below. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, this is another meaty recipe that shows you that you can veganize anything.